Welcome to our 10-minute meditation for beginners. Meditation is a simple yet powerful technique that can help you find inner peace and relaxation in your daily life. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced meditator, this meditation session will help you to quiet your mind and relax your body. To start, find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Sit cross-legged or in a chair with your back straight and your hands resting on your knees. Set a timer for 10 minutes and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this a few times and then let your breath return to its natural rhythm. Focus your attention on your breath. Notice the sensation of air moving in and out of your nostrils or the rise and fall of your chest. Thoughts will inevitably arise. Acknowledge them, but don't engage with them. Imagine them as clouds passing through the sky. As you continue to focus on your breath, you may notice a sense of relaxation and calm wash over you. Allow yourself to be present in this moment. When your timer goes off, slowly open your eyes and take a moment to reorient yourself. Congratulations! You have just completed a 10-minute meditation. Take this sense of calm and relaxation with you as you go about your day. Thank you for joining us for this meditation session. We hope it has helped you to find inner peace and relaxation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more meditation and mindfulness content.